So, papaano 'to kung, papaano mababalanse yung tinatawag natin na attorney na karapatan dun sa privacy at dun sa bank,
Secrecy law.
secrecy
Law.
law, attorney laban dun sa pangangailangan ng, impeachment court na makakuha ng,
Ebidensya.
ebidensya sa ganitong pangyayari?
Yung bank record kasi exemption naman talaga dyan yung impeachment. So yung
Opo.
Secrecy of Bank Deposit Act does not actually cover yung impeachment cases. Ang issue lang kasi dito, kailangan ba talagang buksan mula 2007 hanggang ngayon?
Mhm.
Hindi ba? But at the end of the day kasi, syempre, an impeachment court is just like any other court.
Mhm.
A ruling was made And the ruling was the impeachment court would issue a subpoena.
Mm.
That's the ruling. So anong remedy available sa iyo? To go to the Supreme Court.
Mm.
Sasabihin mo, grave abuse of discretion yan. Ang isa-cite mo, bakit sobrang haba? Bakit mula pa nung vice mayor siya? Anong gusto niya establish?
Mhm.
O paipakita rin yung danger na posibilidad na may makita halimbawa nung mga panahon na nung araw pa tapos gamitin laban sa kanya,
Mm.
wala namang kaugnayan yun halimbawa dito sa ikinakaso sa kanya.
Mhm.
Pangatlo, kung an impeachment court is televised and viewed by everyone, it would not actually look good if there are certain allegations not related to the article of impeachment or to the ground that may surface, di ba, as a result of investigating all the apropos records, sabi ko, the subpoena.
Mhm.
So, ganun po ang mangyayari.